Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss another built-in function or built-in constants of Python which are already defined in Python. Built-in stands for anything which is already defined in Python is called built-in value or built-in function. So Python has some mathematical constants which are already defined in math module of the Python, and we need to call them, and if we want to call them then we just put the constant keyword. So here are some common constants which are already defined in math module. First is the Euler number E, whose value is equal to 2.718. Similarly, another constant is pi, which is very common and it is used for angles as well, and it is also defined as it is the ratio of circumference with the diameter. We know that the circumference is equal to 2 pi r and diameter is the double of radius, so we can write here as 2r. So if we divide this 2 pi r with r, then it will be equal to pi, and its value is 3.141592. Similarly, another constant is tau, and its value is equal to 6.28, which is also called 2 pi, because it is the ratio of circumference with the radius. So if we divide circumference with the radius, then r will be cancelled with r, and its answer will be equal to 2 pi, which is also called tau. Next is infinity, and its value is called the maximum value, maximum limit, and it ranges from positive infinity to the negative infinity. So I'm going to use these constants in Python software, which is PyCharm. In the first line, I will import the module name in which constants are already stored. So I can write here, it will import the module. Next, I will use a variable z in which I want to store the value of e. So e is the constant, and this is the way to call a constant. It is similar to call a function in which first we write the module name and then we put dot and then we use the constant keyword. And then I'm going to print this value z, and I'm going to run this code. When I run this code, then you can see here the value of e is 2.718. Similarly, I can use the value of pi as well. The pi is stored in place of keyword pi, and when I am going to run this code, then you can see here it is 3.1419. Similarly, we can check the other constant as well, and when I run this code again, then you can see here it is 6.283, which is double of pi. So in this way these constants work, and we can call them anytime whenever we want to use them in future. Thank you. That was all for this lecture.